Guess what day it is? You know it. It's Wednesday. That means it's Wonton Wednesday. Who's excited? We have a really unique wonton today. Breakfast. Pork roll, egg and cheese. Can't get much more Jersey than that. This one caught me off guard when I got asked to make a breakfast wonton. So what's better than a Jersey pork roll, egg and cheese sandwich? So I chopped up pork roll, Trenton pork roll. We would use nothing besides Trenton pork roll because that is the best. Scrambled the egg already, and we have shredded American. What I'm gonna do though is I am gonna brown and fry up the pork roll so we can use the fat as the binding agent inside the wonton. I have this on a high flame, no need to add any oil because this pork roll is gonna render off enough fat, and you know, oh, it's gonna be so delicious. So we'll throw that in there. Get that cooking. No fat needed. Gonna crisp up this pork roll. And in the bowl, I already mixed the scrambled eggs with the cheese and a little bit of pepper. No salt because this has all the salty flavor we need for this. Pork roll just came off. It's steaming hot, bubbling in its fat. And we want to add it right now to the eggs and cheese so that it melts the cheese. And this is not obviously for the health conscious because I am going to scrape all of that flavor, aka pork roll fat, into this bowl. Muy caliente, but we are going to toss this in. This is actually going to be a little bit looser than anything else that I've made in the past weeks. This might be a big fail. We have no idea. So just saying, we're giving it a whirl by request. When in Jersey, we do pork roll, egg and cheese wontons. I'm really, really excited about these. Pork roll, egg and cheese. So I thought about dipping sauces. And what else do we have? Plain bacon, like pork roll and cheese. All that we're gonna do. So it's more ketchup. And the eggs, I was really scared these were gonna become like, mushy. And they're not.